Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. Dear students, in our previous class we studied about time. Now today we will read next topic of chapter 14 and it is time in seconds. We have already discussed there are mainly two hands of a clock, hour hand and minute hands. But we have to discuss today one more hand of the clock, and that is the second hand. You must have seen in the clock the thinnest hand, and that is the second hand. And this hand moves faster than minute hand and hour hand. So I am making here a clock to show you the three hands of the clock. As we know, here is 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 is here, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now this is the longest hand and here the short hand. This short hand is hour hand and this longer hand is minute hand. But the one more hand is here that is thinner than the other two, and this hand is called second hand, and this hand moves faster than minute hand and hour hand. It is second hand of the clock. About these two hands you have already learned that this is the minute hand and this is the hour hand. This second hand moves one complete rotation, or this second hand makes one complete rotation, then it completes 60 seconds. How many seconds? 60 seconds. So as you know, there are total 60 divisions from here to here. So once it makes one complete rotation, it completes 60 seconds, and then this minute hand shifts from this division to this division, means 1 minute. So we can say that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay. So if anybody asks now which hand moves faster in the clock, then your answer will be the second hand. If two hands only shown and then asked which clock moves faster, which hands of the clock moves faster, then it is a minute hand. But if all three hands shown, second hand, minute hand and hour hand, then your answer will be second hand moves faster in a clock. And then question to you come that how to convert the time given in second into minute. So as we know, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So whatever time given in seconds, we divide that by 60 to convert into minute. As question given in exercise 14.5. So I am writing some of the questions here. Exercise 14.5. All of you open your book and see questions in your book. The first question is, name the three hands of a clock shown in the following figure. So it is very easy to answer. The thinnest hand and the hand which has been shown in your book with a red color and the thinnest one is the second hand, then the bigger hand is the minute hand and the smaller hand is the hour hand. So you can write the three hands in a clock are second hand, minute hand and hour hand. This is the answer of the first question. Now second question, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? I have already written 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So you can easily answer 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So answer for first question here is second hand, minute hand, minute and then hour hand. Second minute and hour hand are the three hands of a clock. And answer for 2 is 60 seconds is equal to 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. As he asked, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? So you can write in sentence also, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. I have only written 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. You can write it in sentence, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now, question number 3. Which is the smallest unit of time? I have already discussed in previous class. The smallest unit of time is second. So you can write here answer third number. The smallest unit of time is the smallest unit of time is second, and we write symbol for it as okay. The smallest unit of time is second. Now the fourth question, convert the following into minutes and seconds. One has been done for you. So I have told when time is given in second and we have to convert it to minute and second. We divide the given time by 60 to get the time in minute and second. For example, the fourth one is solved here. For 1 number question solved, that 80 seconds is equal to. So 80 seconds is equal to. So you will divide 80 by 60. 80 by 60. When you divide, one time you will divide 60. Here you will write, then when you subtract, you will get 20. So the quotient will become minute and the remainder will become second. So we write 1 minute (20 seconds). This one, when we divide the time given in second by 60, we get time in minute and second. The quotient will be in minute and the remainder will be in seconds. This is the answer. That is 80 seconds is equal to 1 minute 20 seconds. So this is the answer, and like this you will solve questions, remaining question of 4 of exercise 14.5. I hope all of you understood. Now the next topic I am going to make you understand is addition and subtraction of time. So I am writing here addition and subtraction of time. In exercise 14.6, the questions given related to conversion of time. I made you understand in previous class how to convert. So I hope that you can do those questions given in exercise 14.6, and here I am writing addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction of time. This is our next topic. Students, as you have solved questions related to measures of length, weight and capacity, like that we have to solve the questions of addition and subtraction of times. So I am taking an example to make you understand. The question is here: add 32 minutes 25 seconds and 21 minutes 45 seconds. So example here, first I am taking addition example. So example, add 32 minutes 25 seconds, 32 minutes 25 seconds and 21 minutes 45 seconds. 21 minutes 45 seconds. So we write here solution. Thereafter we will add. It is written here add 32 minutes 25 seconds and 21 minutes 45 seconds. So we write here minutes and here we write seconds. Under minute we write 32 minutes and 25 seconds. Then 21 minutes and 45 seconds. Now we will add together. So we start to add from second side. When we add here, if the second will come more than 60, then we take common 1 minute and remaining seconds will be here. If less come, then no problem, but if more come, add in this case 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1 and 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 6 and 1, 7. So it is 70 seconds. 70 seconds can be converted into minute and second, then it will become 1 minute 10 seconds. So we write here only 10 seconds and 1 minute will come this side. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 plus 2, 5. So our answer will be 54 minutes 10 seconds. Okay, once more I am telling, if this kind of addition we have, we first add time in seconds. If it exceeds 60 seconds, means if we get here some more than 60, then we convert that seconds into minute and second, and that minute will be shifted to the minute side. So as here we are adding, our sum is coming 70 seconds, and you know in 70 seconds we have 1 minute 10 seconds. So 10 seconds will be only here, and then 1 minute will shift to the minute side. So So our result will be 54 minutes and 10 seconds. So we write hence 32 minutes 25 seconds 25 seconds plus 21 minutes 45 seconds is equal to 54 minutes 10 seconds. And this is the answer. Like this you will do addition. Then we will see questions based on subtraction. Okay. So instead of here add, we write subtract. Subtract 12 minutes 25 seconds from 21 minutes 45 seconds. So here we write 21 minutes 45 seconds and here 12 minutes 25 seconds and the sign will be minus. Now 5 minus 5 0 and 4 minus 2 2 here. From 1 we cannot we are not able to subtract 2. So we take 1 borrow. So it will become 11 minus 2 9 and 1 minus 1 0. So it is 9 minutes 20 seconds. We write 32 21 minutes 45 seconds minus 12 minutes 25 seconds is equal to 9 minutes 20 seconds. Like this we can do subtraction. So I hope you understood how to add and how to subtract. You have given question of exercise 14.6 related to conversion of time and addition and subtraction on time. So I hope you will be able to do the questions of exercise 14.6. Once more I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 14.6 with you. In exercise 14.6 the first question given to you is exercise 14.6. The first question is given here. Convert into hours. You know that in 1 hour is equal to, in 1 day is equal to 24 hours. It is given in days and hours. You can convert. Already you have done in exercise 14.1. How to convert from days to hours. So it is written here, convert into hours. And first one given 1 was 6 days. We write here solution. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 6 days is equal to 6 into 24 hours. And which one will come? 144 hours. It is very easy to convert from days to hours. Okay. This is the question number 1. If it is given in days and hours, first you will convert days into hours, and whatever hours given you will add in the total hours that you have got. Now second number question is convert into minutes. So do number 1, convert into minutes, and given 4 hours. First question is here 4 hours. We can easily convert, as we have read that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we write here solution. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60 minutes. 4 into 60 minutes. And when you multiply it with 240 minutes, this is the answer. Similarly, you can convert into second. In third number, it is given in second. You will write third number. Now I am making you understand. Convert into second. So 3, 1. The question is given here 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Again, right, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So the question is here 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So 6 into 60 seconds. It will come 6 6 36. 360 seconds. It is very easy. These questions are very easy. Already I have taught in exercise 14.1. Once more I am telling. I hope you are understanding and you will do the questions of this exercise. Now 4 number question here given. Convert into days and hours. Days and hours, and the time is given here in hours. So to convert from days to hours, we have to divide the given time by 24, because we know that in 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So whatever time given in hours, we divide that time by 24 to convert the given time into days and hours. And the first question is here 49 hours. 49 hours. So we write solution. Then we can write quickly that to convert from days to hours, we divide the time by 24. Okay. To convert to convert 49 hours into days and hours into days and hours, we divide it, divide 49 hours by 24. So when we divide 29 hours by 49 hours by 24, whatever quotient will come will be days number of days and the remainder will be the hours. So I am dividing here 49 by 24. 2 48. So 1 will come and we have to cancel. So we can write 49 hours is equal to 49 hours is equal to 2 days 1 hour. So this is the required answer. I hope all of you understood how to solve questions. I have already solved. One more question is question number 5. Convert into hours and minutes. So whatever minutes given, you will divide by 60 to get in hours and minutes. In the same way, you have to write to convert given minutes into hours and minutes. We divide it by 60. Okay, and then whatever the question will come, that will be hour and minute will come in minute. And addition and subtraction how to do, I have already told you in this class. So I hope you will be able to solve the questions of exercise 14.6. So your homework will be solve questions of exercise 14.5 and 14.6. So thank you students. Bye bye.